Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cut, trim and merge audio clips in BandLab. BandLab is a free browser-based digital audio workstation that lets you record, edit and mix music directly on your PC, and one of its core features is editing audio clips, which includes trimming unwanted section, cutting clips for precise timing and merging clips to create smooth sequences. So first open any of the web browser, and on the top there's an address bar. Type down bandlab.com and enter it over here. And once you get into this interface of a BandLab, make sure to log in, and in the top right corner you can either create, or you can also go to this draft project and go to this studio here. After that you can select to the clip, and simply the clip becomes the highlighted and track a specific control appear. You can zoom in on the timeline for more precise editing as well. And over here we can find to this straight line. You can simply double click onto this straight line and you can put it on the middle as well. And in order to trim, you can simply select to this edges part and you can simply put it all together, and that is it. This is how you can trim audio clips. In order to cut, move the playhead over here on the middle to the point where you want to split, and simply right click the clip and select slice over here, and that is it. In order to merge, to combine two clips into one, and you can simply start recording to merge it as well. And thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.